I'm back! What's up, you guys? Today we are prepping. We are leaving on a Disney cruise tomorrow. It kind of snuck up on us, so we were supposed to go on the Wish throughout New Year's Eve. Long story short, we got sick, we had to cancel, and we postponed it to now, and I'm so excited. We've been on the Wish before. I did vlog it. I was not prepared at all for it. I am so ready this time. We have all of our reservations. We're taking you with us. We're doing all the things, but today I'm prepping. I need to pack. We're gonna go have lunch. We just got back from a little workout. I have discovered a new workout app. I'm gonna link it down below. I'm gonna share my little win. I had this on my vision board for so long. I was one of 3 people, and the other 2 people are like big dog, amazing, like millions of followers. So I don't know why they picked me, but I'm trying to do a good job. This app, I've been using it secretly since December. It has empowered me to actually not only work out at home. You can either do home workouts with like little to no equipment, or you can use it in the gym with like full gym equipment. And I was like always the nerd in the gym that I didn't know what to do, and I'd just be really embarrassed. And I just never really did gym workouts, and I just went to the gym and powered through, and like I used the Smith machine and I used all the machines because it literally shows you what to do, and you can listen to your music, and you basically have a personal trainer in your pocket. It's amazing. So I'll link that down below, but I did a killer workout, and I'm doing a full spring glow up, and my goal is to do, it's 5 days a week, so do the workout. So there's upper body, lower body, upper body, lower body, and then there's like I think it's like a leg day sculpt on the Friday, and then the other 2 days I'm gonna do Pilates or yoga. So that's my plan. I have like a full tracking sheet. I will share all of that. So it's all linked on my Instagram for details, but that's why my whole body, it'll be a miracle if I can walk tomorrow. So we're gonna go fuel up post-workout with some Disney food, and we're making it our mission to try all new Disney restaurants, like especially quick service. So we're gonna go to Port Orleans. We've never been to the restaurant ever. So we're gonna go to Riverside, I think it is. We usually go to French Quarters, so we're gonna go to Riverside and find all the things, but we're packing today. Like I have all of the cruise accessories. I'm also planning everything. So I've got all my little treasures. Look how cute these are. These are Sewing Sweethearts. She sent me like a bunch of little clips, and she has Mickey clips and stuff. Look how cute for the cruise. Little gold one. And then I laid out all my clothes in the spare bedroom, and we're packing. You know when you're like 20 minutes from hangar? That's how I feel. So we can't mess around. I laid everything out. I tried everything on this morning. I'll link as much as I can of what I'm gonna wear. There's a restaurant called Enchanté, which is like Lumiere, which I thought this was giving like Beauty and the Beast. Very cute. There's also a Bayou bar. I think that's what it's called on the cruise. This was giving Bayou. New bikinis for Castaway Key. Like how cute. So we're gonna pack. I'll show you all the things. I also got I think this is the dress I'm gonna wear to get on the boat. I'm so excited. And I have a little hat. I'll share all the things. Say hi. Florida Carl. He doesn't do very much. All right, let's go eat, and then we're gonna prep for the cruise. Let's do it. I love trying new places. It was all like, obviously, very New Orleans themed food. So we had jambalaya and gumbo. So good. How cute is this? Look at my plan. First tip that I'm gonna give you on a cruise, not just Disney cruises. The most annoyingly expensive thing is buying water and water bottles. It's not just, you have to order it to your room. It's insane. Don't do it. Bring a cup and you can fill it up. That's what I'm gonna do. So we'll probably fill these up in the gym, and then we have water in our room. Audrey's gonna bring one too. This one's like iridescent glitter, but with figment. It's giving Disney, and I'm here for it. I'm packing my supplements. I'm just packing 4 of these because it's 4 nights. My vitamins, and then my pre-workout's a fresh one, so it's sealed. So I'm gonna bring that. We're gonna try and fit everything into a carry-on. Wish me luck. Welcome to my beauty room closet. I don't think you've ever been in here, actually. In here I have, these are from the last cruise. They're like little skin, face, and then I'm guessing hair. Little situations, and then I'm gonna do my nails also. Oh, these are cute. I have a code for Glenedic, by the way, and it's a hefty code. I think it's like 30+% off. It's really good. I have a ton to choose from, and then I'm looking for hair. Oh, should I be coloring my hair? Calm down, Angie. It's 4 days. Like, we're not leaving here for the rest of the year. Oh, best tip. Next tip. You need these. I thought I was a champion with motion. Apparently I'm not. I got these on our last cruise and they're just like gold little bracelets. Game changed. You put them on each wrist and there's a pressure point on them. Listen, don't ask me how it works, but it works. For the room, it's a little speaker. I'm gonna charge him. And then this is to hold your phone underwater. I'm ready. We are ready. What else do I need? Oh, for the bayou. There's like a, what the heck is, I think it's called the bayou bar. Scrunchie. Cruise scrunchie. Okay. Oh, hair mask. Weightless hair mask. Okay. I think we're at capacity with what we're carrying. Face mask. Girl math. All right, ready. I have my Lego in there. My tripod. All right, nails. Saving for Halloween. Deathly Hollows. Stardust. Maybe. Big decision. That's the Disco Mama. Vibin'. I don't know why this is I don't know. I think this one. All right, well, we're talking about nausea. It's a thing on cruises. Some people don't deal with it at all. Some people have never dealt with it and then deal with it like I did. For me, it just comes on day one. I don't know what to expect. And then I also get dock rock, which is like after you get off the boat, you feel like a sense of motion, but it didn't happen last time. So I'm just going in prepared. So I have the bracelets, which I'll just leave on. This is the best. It's so much better than gravel. Gravel will make you sleepy. I know that there's like non-drowsy gravel and there's like the ginger one. Tastes gross. This will help you. I've shared this before. This is like a hangover remedy like no other. It tastes like raspberries. They're little tablets and you can chew them and they taste good, non-drowsy, better than Dramamine. It doesn't say better, it says less drowsy. It's just amazing. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna go wash my hair and then I have content to film for Daily Grind. My to-do list is like a million years long before we leave. And then we're going to Disney Springs tonight to shop for the cruise. We're gonna shop for the cruise and then shop on the cruise. It's gonna be great. Okay, I'm gonna go get somewhat ready. Springs. It's Cinco de Mayo today, so I need a margarita from Chef Arts. Arguably one of the best margaritas on property. Jaleo's, Chef Arts, well, I mean, Cava, obviously. That goes without saying. The smoked one at Finn's, those are my top answers. All right, to Springs we go. I'm ready. Nails are done. I feel like they're a win. And we're gonna do some shopping for our trip, mostly for Andre. I'm pretty much packed. I just need to put a couple of my workout outfits in and I think I'm good to go. I'm scared to like forget things like sunglasses, but whatever. We can buy it on the cruise. right, we are leaving this morning, hence the dress, hence the, you need to sleep like really hard and you get like face wrinkles from the pillow. Apparently that happened. So we shopped yesterday. We got treasures. I am pretty much packed. I'm just waiting for, I just have my toothbrush on the side here because it's still wet. So like, I want to put it in with all my things. Audrey's packing also. Let's see what we got. Okay, I went to Sephora, shocker. Sephora in Disney Springs is insane. Insane. But the line does move semi-quickly. All right, so let's talk about all these things. So I did heatless curls last night. They didn't really work, but the volume was there and I had to just re-dried it with my Dyson. I mean, it's fine. It'll do, because I don't, I'm always so confused by this. I have brought my air wrap on the cruise before without a converter, which I think was really risky, and it was fine. But then when I got off the ship, I saw all of these confiscated hair dryers and steamers, and I was like, that would have sucked. So I'm just gonna not bring it. I think that that's safer. Maybe you guys have an answer. The 3 things I got at Sephora. I have this at home in Canada. It's like a tinted moisturizer, tinted serum actually, and there's like these little beadlets in it. It's so good. I love a tinted moisturizer slash steamer. Serum, depuffing, under eye patches, anti-fatigue, caffeine. Need it, like I could use 20 of these, so I should have got more, but that's fine. And then I got a little palette. When I cleaned out everything from moving, I donated so much makeup, and the one thing that remained was all Huda Beauty palettes. So I think that that speaks volumes out of like many, many years of makeup. I just don't want to pop a nail. Also, I've heard this conversation about teens, like not even teens, like 10-year-olds, okay, 11, 12, in Sephora, and it's like a thing, and it's actually a problem. I experienced it yesterday. Where are your parents? That's like wild. Just like literally like ruining the makeup, knocking things over. It's pretty much like a playground. I definitely experienced it. Okay, this is beautiful. Look at how pretty. So that's coming with, put that in my makeup bag. Then we went to, what's it called? There's like a jewelry store in Disney Springs. It's not Happily Ever After, is it? They have like Disney Loungefly, they have Disney jewelry, they have Pandora. Look at what I got. Thank you, Ever After Jewelry Co. So I'm gonna wear these today. Pretty sure these were new, and you're gonna freak out at the next thing. I just thought these were very cruise appropriate. The only girl that does my hair and somehow has a weird top knot remaining. Okay, love that. This was at the cash, and the girl working there goes, yeah. So this is Bobble Bar. So they also sell Bobble Bar at this store. I'll link all these things that I'm sharing, like the makeup and any treasures. I really hope I got the size right on this. Okay, for anybody that knows, you might know that I love Donald Duck. They had a stacked ring of Donald. With the nails, right? It's absolutely incredible. I love him so much. He is just beautiful. It would be amazing if, yeah, there we go. Like, yeah, it's my cruise ring. Absolutely incredible. Do we keep this? Yes. Then, so that's one bag done. Okay, so Audrey needed shirts for like day shirts and just like nice. Okay, I'm gonna show you the 2 first ones and then the last one. So he got these at Ron John. Super cute. They're O'Neill, I believe. Yeah, they're O'Neill. Fabric super light, perfection, great finds. Then we spotted this one. It needs its own moment. Let me stand. Look at the print. Where's the stormtrooper? Like, even Carl is on it. It's incredible. This is gonna be his, what's the Star Wars bar? Hyperspace. It's gonna be his hyperspace shirt. Incredible. So I'm gonna bring this to him because he's packing, and then we are gonna go get a coffee and a little breakfast sandwich, and then we're probably gonna hit the road. So we've already checked into our app. Look at you. You have your Stanley?
I have my Stanley.
So you don't have to fill up on crazy amounts of water. I'll put this here. You have your hat.
I have my hat.
You're bringing your backpack. Okay. Disney Cruise Line app. Health questionnaire done. Check-in done. One of the reasons that we like the Wish as well as at the time the Fantasy. I don't want to like quote anything because everything changes, right? But we really like the port that is the closest to Disney, which is Cape Canaveral. So everything, you can log in from home or you can log in on the boat, obviously, and it will tell you like your balance of your room. Our stateroom is, so we already have our stateroom 12/28, May 6th to May 10th, and it'll show you like everything that you need to get done, and then on board, ready to go, connect to the ship. And then there is a QR code somewhere, and they just scan it whenever you check in. Oh my gosh, our room looks beautiful. I know it's not our exact room, but it looks really pretty. Donald and Daisy, and then you have all of your plans and your itinerary. So I booked the barber shop for Andre for like right when we get on the boat. We have a massage tomorrow. We are not getting off the boat in Bahamas. We just made that executive decision. We've done it, we're good. And then tomorrow night we have Paolo. And then for our day at sea, we have nothing planned. So we're probably just gonna sit by the pool. And then on day 4, we have Enchanté, which is the like Beauty and the Beast Lumiere style restaurant, which is apparently amazing. And then day 5 is Debarkation Day. So yeah, the drive is about 45 minutes from here. It's not far from here at all. It's a decent drive. So we're gonna do coffee, breakfast, finish up packing, do a little bit of work, just set everything up. We're just doing carry-on. We're not, for the 7-day cruise, we had checked our bag and it was waiting for us at the room, which is fine. For this one, it's really not necessary. I mean, I have everything I need. I have my little hat, little clip. We're going purple. My Stanley, I put my planner in here. I set that up yesterday. Charger, passports, sunglasses, my little Donald speaker in here, the hairbrush and clips. Oh, my little Donald bracelet too. So here's my thoughts with the ports, just our experience now three times with Port Canaveral in Cocoa Beach and then 3 times in Fort Lauderdale. Port Canaveral one, I don't know if maybe I'm biased because it's Disney, but it's just such a smoother experience. Like every single time in Fort Lauderdale, it was always like, okay, sit to the side. And it was like a 45-minute to hour just endeavor of like waiting to get on the boat, and it just didn't feel organized. This one's like, I don't want to jinx it, but this one's like rock and roll, you go right on the boat. And it's a really cool experience too. If you're taking a Disney cruise, they have like the Disney, like the Mickey archway, which is like just such a fun experience. So I might be biased, but it's incredible. All right, I'm gonna close up this luggage, and I'm getting lots of questions of if I'm actually going to, first of all, I need to brush this out. I'm getting a lot of questions if I'm actually gonna film this cruise. Yes, it'll be great. I'll try and share all the details. We're gonna try and do rainforest room, utilize the gym, and just different things that maybe other people don't always talk about. So I'll try and share just like all the nitty-gritty details, but if you have specific questions, I love being helpful with stuff like that. So drop your comments down below. And yeah, we're gonna try and go about it differently than, I guess, the normal tips that you would get. Like, we're actually probably not gonna do the restaurants, like the rotation restaurants, like at all. And we're gonna try and do it the adult way. So we're gonna take you with us. It's gonna be an experience. So the next vlog that you see, I will be wearing this on the way to the port. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this. If you're prepping for a cruise, hopefully this was a little bit helpful and also a little bit like entertaining and Disney-esque. But I'm excited, and I'm excited to experience this with you guys for our third Disney cruise. This is the 3rd time. Okay, I thought we've done it 3 times already. All right, you guys, thank you for being a part of this. You can follow along on Instagram for all of the behind the scenes, and I will see you guys probably very soon in the next video where we're actually on the cruise. Bye, dudes.